Good morning, dear children. In the previous class, we studied grammar. Did you remember? We studied adjectives. I have explained you what are adjectives. Adjectives are known as the describing words. They describe the quality and the quantity of a noun. Then we further discussed the different type of adjectives: demonstrative, distributive, and even interrogative. So we discussed all these three different types of adjectives. Today we shall continue with the adjectives only. So today we are going to discuss degrees of comparison. And you all are very much familiar with the 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. So we shall be discussing all these 3 degrees in little detail, and then finally we will solve the exercises based on them. So children, let's have a look at the degree of comparison. As I have told you that there are 3 degrees of comparison in English. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And third, superlative degree. Now let's see what is positive degree. We use the positive degree when we speak about only one person or thing. Let's look at an example. LeBron James is tall. The house is big. This flower is beautiful. So here in these sentences, we are talking about just one person like LeBron James, one thing, house, one flower. So when we speak about one person or thing, it is denoted as positive degree. Now coming on to the next is comparative degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or things or two things with each other. Let's look at an example. Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. This house is bigger than that one. She is nicer than him. So here we are talking about two person or things. Like in this example, we are talking about two person. Here this house and that house, she and him. So in all the 3 sentences, we are talking about either two persons or two things, and one word common is then. So this is the specification that then is used in comparative degree, or we can say that then is used to compare two person or two things with each other. Now comes the last, superlative degree. We use the superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things with one another. Children, remember one thing, it is the highest degree of the quality. Let's look at an example. Peter is the smartest boy in class. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. The blue whale is the largest of all animals. So here we are talking about Peter, the smartest boy in class. Alice, she is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. And when we speak about blue whale, it is said it is the largest of all animals. So that is superlative degree. It is the highest degree of the quality. So let's have a look at the few tips as to how to change one degree into another degree. When we talk about adjectives of one syllable, one syllable, children, means like we pronounce the whole word as one: small, warm, old, nice, big. We are pronouncing all these words as one. So, adjectives of one syllable, they add ER and EST. ER in the comparative degree and EST in the superlative degree. Adjectives ending on E, they just add R in the comparative degree and ST in the superlative degree. Some adjectives double the final consonant. So, here are few examples like small, smaller, smallest, warm, warmer, warmest, old, older, oldest, nice, nicer, nicest, big, bigger, biggest. So, this is how the positive degree is changed into comparative and superlative degree. Now, further moving, when the adjectives are having two syllables like narrow, here two syllables are there, one is na, other is ro, happy, useful, boring, modern. So, here when we pronounce two syllables are there. So, adjectives, how we change adjectives of two syllables? Some adjectives of two syllables, they add ER and EST. For adjectives ending in Y, cut Y and then add IER and IEST. Adjectives ending in full, LESS, ING, ED, they use more and most. Some other adjectives of two syllables, they use more and most like modern, famous, normal, correct, etc. So, let us look at the few examples like narrow, it will change into narrower and narrowest, happy, happier, happiest, useful, more useful, most useful, boring, more boring, most boring, modern, more modern, most modern. So, children, further when there are three or more syllables, so adjectives of three or more syllables, they simply use more in the comparative degree and most in the superlative degree like beautiful, three syllables are there, beautiful, dangerous, exciting. So, when we pronounce, we break it into three parts that are known as syllables. So, like beautiful will change into more beautiful and most beautiful. Dangerous will change it into more dangerous and most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting and most exciting, most exciting. So, this is all the explanation about degrees of comparison. I hope children, you all have understood now what are degrees of comparison and how they are changed from one degree, that is from positive to comparative and comparative to superlative and vice versa. So, that is all for today. I will give you a few exercises to solve and you complete it in your grammar book. That is all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.